Intelligence. Jersey number 35, Billy Salazar, 6'1", small forward, varsity of Baguio Intelligence Foundation Lyceum, Cavite. Jersey number 19, Angeles, 5'11", shooting guard, varsity of University of Nueva Cáceres, member of Athletic Association of Region 5. Jersey number 22, Christopher Sagon, 6'2", power forward, varsity of Lyceum Northwestern University. And jersey number 12, Andrew Vallejo, 6'2", center, varsity of Philippine Colleges of Criminology. Of course, the official coaching staff, Joel Domingo, team manager, Esmael Amin, team head coach, June Luki, assistant coach, Alan Kala, statistician, Ben Kadaw, team coordinator, and Joe Tagital, technical assistant. Ladies and gentlemen, the BNPC Riyadh All-Star Team. Of course, our second scene for our main event is the Paparazzi Falcons Riyadh 1 All-Stars. We would like to acknowledge their official players and coaching staff, starting with jersey number 14, Jason Rex Bandoy, 5'6", point guard, varsity player of Leyte Colleges, Tacloban, commercial players in this team. Jersey number 10, Ricardo Graciria, 5'11", shooting guard, San Sebastian College de Recoletos, Cavite, most valuable player, NASCU, Mythical 5 and Mythical 10. Jersey number 30.